Artificial intelligence is transforming education in ways we never imagined. From personalized learning experiences to intelligent tutoring systems, AI tools are making significant strides in enhancing educational outcomes worldwide. For instance, Carnegie Learning's Mathia software uses AI to adapt to individual student needs, leading to a 10% improvement in standardized test scores after just one semester of use. Another example is Duolingo, which leverages machine learning algorithms to tailor language lessons based on user proficiency and progress. These tools are not only making education more accessible, but also more effective by providing real-time feedback and personalized content. As we dive deeper into this topic, you'll see how AI is redefining the way students learn and teachers teach across different levels of education. Imagine a classroom where each student follows a unique path tailored to their strengths and weaknesses. Thanks to AI-powered learning tools, this vision is becoming a reality. For example, Carnegie Learning's Mathia software uses AI to adjust problems based on individual student performance, leading to significant improvements in math proficiency. In fact, studies show that students using personalized learning paths can advance up to 10% faster than those following traditional methods. One real-world example comes from Newton, an adaptive learning platform used by over 1 million students worldwide. By analyzing each interaction, Newton's AI creates customized lesson plans, ensuring every student receives the exact help they need at just the right time. This not only boosts academic performance, but also keeps students engaged and motivated. As we delve deeper into these innovative tools, let's explore how they're transforming assessment methods in classrooms across the globe. AI-powered learning tools are revolutionizing how education is delivered by making it more accessible to diverse learners. For instance, dyslexic students can benefit from AI-driven text-to-speech software that reads written content aloud, enhancing comprehension and engagement. According to a study by the National Center for Learning Disabilities, about 85% of students with disabilities drop out or do not complete their education due to accessibility issues. With AI tools like speech recognition and predictive text, these barriers can be significantly reduced. Additionally, AI can personalize learning paths based on individual student needs, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance at academic success regardless of their background. For example, Duolingo uses AI to adapt language courses for users with varying proficiency levels, making education more inclusive. As we move forward, it's clear these tools will continue to play a crucial role in democratizing education. Next, let's explore how AI is transforming the way teachers interact with students. AI-powered learning tools are revolutionizing how students access educational materials by filtering out irrelevant content and curating what's truly useful. For instance, platforms like Newton use AI to analyze vast amounts of data, ensuring that only relevant information reaches learners. According to a study from the Journal of Educational Technology and Society, personalized learning systems improve student engagement by up to 20%. This means students can focus on material tailored specifically for their needs and abilities. For example, Duolingo's language learning app uses AI to adapt lessons based on user performance, making the learning process more efficient and effective. By automating this curation process, educators save time and ensure that learners are always presented with high-quality, relevant content. This streamlined approach not only enhances learning outcomes, but also makes education more accessible and personalized for everyone. As we move forward, let's explore how these tools can be integrated into traditional classrooms to further enhance the educational experience. Interactive AI tools are revolutionizing how students engage with learning materials. For instance, Duolingo, an app that uses AI to personalize language lessons, has seen users spend an average of 8 minutes per session, which is significantly higher than traditional methods. This increased engagement is crucial because studies show that students who are more engaged tend to perform better academically. Another example is Smart Sparrow, an adaptive learning platform used by universities like the University of New South Wales, where interactive AI modules have led to a 30% improvement in student performance compared to traditional lectures. These tools not only make learning more engaging, but also help tailor content to individual needs. As we move forward, it's clear that these technologies are setting new standards for educational engagement and effectiveness. Next, let's explore how AI is personalizing the learning experience even further. AI-powered learning tools are revolutionizing how educators understand student performance. For example, Carnegie Learning's Mathia software uses AI to track every interaction a student has while solving math problems. This data is then analyzed to provide detailed insights into each student's strengths and weaknesses. according to a study by the Journal of Educational Computing Research. Schools using such tools saw an average improvement of 20% in test scores over traditional methods. Teachers can now pinpoint exactly where students are struggling and tailor their teaching strategies accordingly. For instance, if data shows that most students have trouble with algebraic equations, teachers can focus on this area more intensively. These insights help educators create a more personalized learning experience for each student. With these powerful tools, the classroom of tomorrow is becoming increasingly tailored to individual needs, setting the stage for even more transformative changes in our next scene. As we explore the transformative power of AI in education, it's crucial to address the challenges and ethical considerations that come with it. One significant issue is data privacy. According to a 2019 survey by Common Sense Media, only about half of teachers are confident they know how student data is used and protected in digital learning tools. This raises serious concerns about how student information is collected, stored, and potentially misused. Another challenge is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. For example, a study by ProPublica found that some AI systems used in education can inadvertently perpetuate biases based on race or socioeconomic status, leading to unfair educational opportunities. To ensure fairness and equity, it's essential for developers to continuously monitor and adjust these tools. As we move forward, addressing these challenges will be key to harnessing the full potential of AI in education without compromising ethical standards. Next, let's look at how educators are actually integrating these tools into their classrooms. AI-powered learning tools are already making waves in classrooms around the world. For example, Carnegie Learning's MATHIA software uses AI to personalize math instruction for students, significantly improving their performance. A study showed that after using this tool, 80% of students achieved proficiency in algebra, compared to only 42% before its implementation. Another real-world application comes from Georgia State University, which uses an AI system called Pounce to send personalized alerts and advice to students, helping them stay on track academically. This initiative has led to a 10% increase in graduation rates over the past few years. These examples highlight how AI can tailor educational experiences to individual needs, leading to better outcomes. Next, we'll dive into the challenges educators face when integrating these advanced tools into their classrooms. AI-powered learning tools are making significant strides in supporting students with special education needs. For instance, according to a study by the National Center for Learning Disabilities, nearly 1 in 5 children has some form of learning disability. AI technologies like speech recognition and adaptive learning platforms can personalize educational content based on individual student needs. One real-world example is the use of AI-powered apps that help students with dyslexia by converting text into spoken words or offering visual aids to enhance comprehension. These tools not only assist in overcoming specific challenges, but also build confidence and independence among these learners. A notable success story comes from a school district in California, where the implementation of AI-driven learning platforms led to a 30% improvement in reading proficiency for students with dyslexia over just one academic year. As we see, AI is not only making education more accessible, but also profoundly impactful for those who need it most. Next, let's explore how these tools are being integrated into everyday classroom settings. AI-powered tools aren't just changing how students learn, they're also revolutionizing teachers' daily tasks. For instance, AI can automate grading for multiple-choice tests and even provide feedback on written assignments. According to a study by Pearson, 72% of educators believe that technology will enable them to focus more on teaching and less on administrative duties. Imagine an AI tool that can instantly analyze student performance data, highlighting areas where students need extra help or suggesting personalized learning paths. This not only saves time, but also allows teachers to tailor their instruction more effectively. For example, Carnegie Learning's MATHIA software uses AI to adapt lessons based on individual student needs, significantly improving math proficiency rates. By leveraging these tools, teachers can spend more quality time engaging with students and less time buried in paperwork. As we move forward, the collaboration between AI and educators will only grow stronger. AI-powered assessment tools are revolutionizing how educators evaluate student performance. For instance, Turnitin's GradeMark uses AI to provide detailed feedback on essays, helping teachers grade more efficiently and consistently. According to a study by Pearson, 75% of educators believe that AI can enhance the accuracy and speed of grading. These tools not only reduce the workload for teachers, but also offer personalized insights into student learning gaps. For example, Carnegie Learning's MAT here uses AI to adapt math problems based on individual student progress, ensuring each learner gets the right level of challenge. This kind of technology is making assessments more effective and less time-consuming. Moving forward, let's explore how these tools are changing the way students learn and interact with educational content. AI-powered learning tools are not just transforming how students learn, they're also revolutionizing communication between teachers and parents. For instance, platforms like Classcraft use AI to send personalized updates directly to parents about their child's progress and behavior in real time. According to a study by the National Education Association, 89% of teachers believe that parental involvement significantly impacts student success. With AI, teachers can easily share detailed insights and feedback without overwhelming themselves with additional administrative tasks. This kind of transparency fosters stronger relationships between home and school, ensuring everyone is on the same page when it comes to a child's education. As we move forward, these tools will likely become even more sophisticated, providing deeper insights into student performance. Next, let's explore how AI can tailor learning experiences based on individual student needs. When it comes to AI-powered learning tools, one of the top concerns is student data privacy. Many parents and educators worry about how these systems handle sensitive information. According to a 2021 survey by Common Sense Media, nearly 70% of teachers expressed concern over data privacy when using educational technology. To address this, companies like Google have implemented strict guidelines under its Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA. Compliance, they ensure that student data is anonymized and encrypted to protect personal information from misuse. Similarly, Canvas by Instructure uses secure data storage and encryption methods to safeguard user data. As we move forward, it's crucial for both developers and educators to prioritize privacy settings and transparency in their AI systems. Understanding these safeguards can help build trust between users and the technology they depend on daily. Next, let's explore how these tools are being integrated into classrooms around the world. AI-powered learning tools are not just about making education more efficient, they're also about achieving educational equity. For instance, in rural areas where access to quality teachers is limited, AI tutors can fill that gap by providing personalized instruction and feedback. A study from IBM found that AI tutoring systems improve test scores for students in undersourced schools by an average of 10%. This shows how technology can bridge the achievement gap between different socioeconomic groups. Moreover, AI tools can adapt to individual learning styles and paces, ensuring no student is left behind due to a one-size-fits-all curriculum. For example, Carnegie Learning's AI-based math programs have shown significant improvement in student performance across various demographics. By customizing content based on each learner's needs, these systems make education more accessible and effective for everyone. As we continue exploring the potential of AI in education, it becomes clearer how pivotal these tools are in creating a more inclusive learning environment. Next, let's dive into some real-world success stories where schools have implemented AI to transform their classrooms. AI is revolutionizing how we design and develop curriculums. For instance, in Finland, AI algorithms analyze student performance data to tailor educational content that aligns perfectly with individual learning needs. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also boosts academic outcomes. According to a study by the University of Helsinki, schools using AI-driven curriculum tools have seen a 15% improvement in student test scores compared to traditional methods. Moreover, AI can predict which topics might be challenging for students based on historical data and adjust lesson plans accordingly. For example, if many students struggle with algebra, an AI system could recommend additional resources or more practice problems to address these weaknesses. As we see the power of AI in shaping curriculum design, it's clear that personalized learning is becoming a reality. Next, let's explore how AI can provide real-time feedback to both teachers and students. AI is not just about making learning more efficient, it's also about keeping students motivated. A study by Pearson found that 70% of teachers believe AI can help personalize education to meet individual student needs, which in turn boosts engagement and motivation. For example, Duolingo uses AI to adapt language lessons based on a student's performance and pace, ensuring they stay challenged but not overwhelmed. This adaptive approach has been shown to increase the time students spend learning by up to 20%. When students feel their progress is acknowledged and celebrated, they are more likely to stay motivated and engaged in their studies. Imagine a world where every student feels supported and inspired to learn. That's the promise of AI in education. Next, let's explore how AI can help teachers manage classrooms more effectively. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, AI-powered tools are not just supplements but transformative agents. For instance, studies show that personalized learning platforms using AI have helped students improve their test scores by up to 20%. These systems analyze student performance in real time and adapt the curriculum accordingly, ensuring every learner gets exactly what they need. Moreover, AI tutors like Carnegie Learning's MAT here have demonstrated significant improvements in math proficiency among middle school students. As we move forward, integrating these technologies into our educational frameworks will be crucial for bridging learning gaps and enhancing overall academic outcomes. With such promising advancements, the future of education looks incredibly bright. Next, let's explore how you can start implementing AI tools in your own classroom or learning environment.